right. Fungi in 3 minutes or less. Here we go. Hello, my name is Matthew Smith, and I'm here to talk about fungi and some lessons that fungi can teach us. I love fungi, and I've spent most of my adult life obsessing over these organisms, their diversity, their evolution, what they do in the environment. Many people think of fungi as fringe organisms. They just don't follow the rules. They're definitely not animals, but they don't fit in with the plants either. And in biology textbooks, plants and animals are almost always the center stage, while fungi are relegated to one page in the last chapter. That chapter is usually discussed in hushed tones with words like decay, musty, and toadstool. Sometimes people ask me what I do for a living, and I say, I study fungi, but a common response is, why? Because of our pervasive culture of mycophobia, it can sometimes take people a while to come around to the fungi. I've learned to appreciate them and to share some of the lessons that come from them. If I go to a party and I tell people that I study fungi, they inevitably want to discuss one of fungi's greatest hits. Psychedelic fungi, which usually comes with tangential stories of college. Fungi that cause athlete's foot or jock itch. No, I do not want to isolate your personal fungus. And deadly fungi, because everyone is curious about organisms that kill you. I always try to expand on this list to educate and entertain people with fungi. I bring up topics like the antimicrobial revolution, because the first antibiotics all came from fungi. The importance of wood decay fungi, because imagine a forest where the trees never could decay when they die. And fungi for food and beverage production. Without fungi, there would be no beer. So I don't think I have to say more about that. I offer one final lesson from the fungi. Like animals, fungi must get their energy from somewhere else. Although some fungi attack plants or animals to obtain their food, others evolve mutually beneficial symbioses with other organisms called mutualisms. Mutualisms have evolved hundreds of times during fungal evolution. Mutualistic fungi grow inside of their symbiotic partners and share resources in relationships that make both partners stronger and more likely to survive. Examples include mycorrhizae, lichens, fungal endophytes that grow inside of plants, ambrosia fungi that grow inside of beetles, and truffles that provide nutrition to animals in exchange for having their spores dispersed. These mutualistic fungi are amazing to study, but they also offer a very important lesson for us. Often the best way to get energy is not by attacking others or going it alone. Life presents many opportunities to get closer and grow into your relationships with others. These close interactions provide us with important opportunities to unlock new ways of life, and they can also provide mutual benefits for either partner that could never be achieved when the partners are alone. Thank you very much.